Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. Look at this lineup we got this morning. Not mine though, mine's not fast. My man Preston, how have you been? Social distance? Oh! Got Josh.
Oh!
So guys, what are we gonna do today with 2 BMWs and a Lexus?
Ding, ding. I don't know.
We're gonna go for a little canyon cruise. Preston said we can't really push it because cops are really enforcing no one to go on hiking trails or parks or any of those places, so they might be lurking around there. But I feel like Josh might try to push it, so that might be content, we'll see. Damn, look at these things. I love your guys' cars. Look at them admiring their own cars.
You're supposed to, right?
Yeah. So right now I think we're gonna go to our little Mexico spot, and I want to see their cars race from a dig because they both haven't dynoed their cars, and I've sat in the passenger seat for both of these cars and they're pretty freaking fast. I think Preston's might be a little quicker because it's newer, but I don't know, we're gonna see. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Ready to see this happen? Ooh, look at that, sporting the BMW. Dude, this is a nice jacket. Where's yours?
I go rock all aspects, dude.
All right guys, you ready for this? Let's get it. Dude, you guys' cars are fast as fuck. Shit. Dude, your car sounds amazing. It's so good. Alright guys, we have made it to Mexico. We're about to see these Beamers go head to head. I'm so excited. On one corner, we got Josh's E92 335 IS. The other corner, we have Preston's F36 440i. And both of these guys have done a lot of performance mods. So let's see if all the money is worth it. Ready? That was insane.
Wow.
And he came back in style. Looks like someone's gonna have to go stage 2. So he wants to run it again, and let's see how it goes.
Donuts.
How badass do you feel? That was freaking awesome. Oh my god. You left your mark at the spot. You did.
In Mexico.
Dude, oh my god. Guys, I don't promote any of this stuff. It's just really, really cool. Don't try it at home. What do you think as a fellow BMW driver?
That was sick as hell, dude.
All right, you guys ready to cruise? Give your tires some rest?
She really shakes it. She's so cute.
They both sound so good. We've seen like freaking 5 cops today. Oh my god, they really don't want anyone going out. So I think we're just gonna head back. I guess keep cruising or something. I don't know. What do you want to do? Oh, he's coming back. He wants a piece of this. Alright guys, we're on the side of the road because Josh's BMW's charge pipe came undone by a BMW, they said. It would be fucking fun, they said.
I was racing a Lamborghini, dude. I'm sorry.
There's this Lambo behind me, and it's obviously hella fast. It can catch up like nothing. It went around us, and Josh was keeping up with it, and I was keeping up with them. It was just so fun just grooving around back and forth. He was pushing it a little too much, and his charge pipe came off. He can drive it and get it back to the warehouse for us to fix, but it just has no boost, and it's obviously bad for the car. So he's just trying to put it on right now, and I'm over here with him.
2 hours later.
All right, guys, we made it back to the warehouse. Unfortunately, the toolbox is locked, but we're still gonna try to get this charge pipe back on for Josh. He's putting in work. The elbow came undone, so he's not getting any boost at all whatsoever. This is an easy fix, but you guys know with BMW, they always just have a bunch of things in the way. But so far, it was pretty successful day. I got to see them push their cars. I got to push mine a little bit. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know Josh had a good time. That's why he's suffering right now. Yeah, huge shout out to Preston for coming out all the way from OC. Drove out here just to drive around with us and then basically just drive back home because there's nothing to do. I'm so sorry that you came down here, Preston, without really being able to hang out. Next time, we'll come up to you and hopefully this whole quarantine thing is over and Corona is done with and we can like go grab a drink or just hang out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Josh, is it better to look good or to feel good?
Better to feel good than to look good.
Josh isn't feeling so hot. BMW boy problems. But with that being said, guys, don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good.
You gonna help me?
Yeah, I'll help you. Catch you guys in the next video. Oh, later. That was stylish.